title of the video, your boy is getting a stage 3 clutch installed today. I don't even know if you guys can hear me over the exhaust, but yep, there it is. Currently on my way over there right now. Made it to Dynamic Auto Works. That's who's gonna be doing my whole clutch install. So yeah, I hope you guys like the new look. I don't have the side skirts on yet, but everything else is basically done. And yeah, it's a brand new day. I just got off work, and guess what? 350Z, boy, it's about that time. The brand new clutch is in the car now. Stage 3 UPT clutch. Body off Unique Motorsports, Georgie. Fast shipping, everything. Thank you so much, appreciate it. Got the car sitting right here. Finally got the exhaust leak fixed. It's kind of windy here, I apologize. Just wanted to show you guys that I got the car back now, and just probably turn it off. I literally just got off work, it's crazy, and came straight here to make this video. I think it's perfect. Ideally, this car, I don't even take it to the track or anything, and I still went with the stage 3 just cause, why not? And let me tell you, it grabs so good. I don't regret what I did at all. This car looking at me funny. Anyways, yeah, I didn't expect the stage 3 to be that good. Like that easy to drive and shit. My clutch before this, I think it was a stock clutch. My car's at 50,000 miles now. It was about that time. My stock clutch was so soft, like I don't even know how to compare it to how it is right now. I just think it's so much better and more fun to drive now. The clutch is super stiff, nothing crazy, but it's still pretty stiff. Honestly, for a stage 3, I was expecting way harsher driving, but you get used to it really fast. What else do I gotta say about the clutch? Tranny feels much better after the clutch. Way more firm. Way more firm. Pop the hood real quick. Just cause, no, some of y'all haven't seen what's under the hood of this beast. It's alright, nothing crazy. Fuck, my hood is fucked up. There we go. Nice solid thud. Hurts me every time I do that, but it's the only easy way it shuts. What do you guys think about the new setup? Aside from the clutch, what do you guys think about this new front bumper? I think the canards really set it off. Looks so good, all carbon. Shout out CPZ. Got the skirts too. That's exactly what's next on the list, to get the skirts installed. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with how the car sits. What else would I do in the future? Maybe a little more aero. Something in the front, we'll see. And I don't know, I love this wheel setup. I do want to change it up to something a little more flashy, because I know these wheels are like, they're clean and all, but I don't know, I want some deep dish wheels. So we'll see where that takes us. I also have something for the front end, which should be getting changed soon. Most of y'all could probably already guess what it is. but it's basically the finishing touch to the car in my opinion. After the skirts are on, it's the only thing that's gonna be left. Comment down below if you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so again, overall thoughts on the stage 3 UPT clutch. It's amazing, and this is only my first day of driving it. Haven't installed yet, and each gear you catch on to it hella fast. So once you're in it and you take off, I think you know how to handle it right from the jump. It's so predictable, I guess you could say. What else? Got a fresh alignment on the car as well. Shout out Dynamic Auto Works. They took care of the whole car, from the clutch, the exhaust leak, that shit's all fixed, and alignment. Car really feels solid now. Another thing I plan on doing, hopefully this week or next week, is, you already know, the BBK, or I don't know if I'd say BBK, but the Brembo brakes. Much better than these stocks. So stay tuned for that. And what else do I gotta let y'all know? Rear bumper changes are coming. You guys seen what I had in the previous video. I love the simplicity of this car. It's just so good. For those of you wondering what my mods are, I'm gonna wait till the car is all finished. So I'm probably gonna aim for maybe September-ish. That's when I think the car is gonna be all the way done, to a stage where I'll, I guess, be content with it. I mean, that's like never for a car guy, but I will do a walk around of what I have done to it, and maybe even how much money I've spent on it. You guys won't even be able to believe it, because I sure don't. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Stage 3 clutch grabs. I promise you guys, as soon as the braking period's done, I'm gonna grab a little GoPro and do some runs. Post them on the YouTube and on Instagram if you don't follow me. Club Z33. That's where all the fire shots of the car goes on, and you get sneak peeks of what I'm doing before it's up on YouTube, because this shit takes a while to edit, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, peace out. Again, stage 3 clutch was A1, super easy. I'd recommend getting it for your 350 ZHR, because it is 100% gonna hold the power and put it down. I also feel an acceleration increase on the car after the clutch, so pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.